What are you eating?
What is that?
What is it? Is it yummy? You need 2 of them. Is that watermelon?
Yeah.
Can you say watermelon? Pretty good. Where? Are we at Gigi's house?
Yeah.
Do you like Gigi? Do you want to make me a sandwich?
No.
What was that?
Dog.
What's that noise?
Dog.
A dog, yeah. What's he doing?
It's a truck.
Oh. You hear trucks. The freeway. I love you. Do you love me? She's like, I don't love you. You're not watermelon. Do you love watermelon?
Yeah.
Do I love you? Yeah, but you don't love me. That's okay.